Hi friends, welcome back new video. In this video I'm sharing to you the details of how to replace or remove the ink cartridges of HP Deskjet Plus Ink Advantage 6075 model printer. If you are a new viewer of this channel, like and subscribe this channel and click on the bell button to receive notification of new uploaded videos. Okay, let's see where is the ink cartridge and how to replace the cartridges of this printer. First, connect the power cable to the socket of the back side of the printer. After then, turn on the printer. Next, open the access door. Ink carriage is here. If it open this door, the ink carriage will come to the correct position for insert or replace the ink cartridge. Please note, when this door is open, if the printer is off, the ink carriage will not come like this, indicated by the picture where the black and color cartridge should be placed. There is mentioned the model number of the ink cartridge to be used. 653 is given here, therefore this printer will work only with this number cartridge. It's mandatory to put the black on the right side, the color on the left side of the carriage, otherwise the printer will not work. Next, let's see how to remove these cartridges from this carriage. Open the latch, then carriage, take it out. This is 653 color carriage. Now remove. Next, 653 black carriage. Also remove the same procedure. Now both cartridges are removed. Let's see how to insert the cartridges. Open the latch on the black cartridge slot. This is 653 black cartridge. Slide the new cartridges like this in the slot and close the latch until it clicks. Next, 653 color cartridge. It also insert with same procedures. Insert the cartridges into the correct slot. If you remove a cartridge from the printer for any reason, try to replace it again as soon as possible. Because outside of the printer, if unprotected, cartridge begin to dry out. This video winding up now. If you have any doubts or need to know anything more, you can comment on this video. See you on next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.